All right, good morning, guys. Good afternoon, good evening, all right. Welcome back to Brainybite tutorial. Okay, so if this is your first time of coming across to our YouTube channel, we are Brainybite tutorial. Okay, so what we do in this our channel is that we teach you guys tips, everything that has to do with Jamb. All right, so we'll guide you guys step by step. All right, so we also assist you guys to gain admission. Okay, so if you have been written Jamb for a very long time and you want to gain admission, all right, so let me know in the comment section that you want to have my number. You message when you have my number, you message, let me know on WhatsApp, all right, because it is confidential, so some persons will not come to attack you or to start telling you have been written Jamb for, some persons will be shy of saying it. So let me just tell me you want my number on WhatsApp, all right, so on the comment section. So I'll be right there to give you my number, and you will message me on WhatsApp. Then after that, you tell me every of the problem or every of the challenge you are having. Let me know on the WhatsApp session. All right, so now so now we have a WhatsApp community. That our WhatsApp community is basically for our 2024 registered UTME candidate. Of course, you can become one of our members. So you will let me know in the comment section that you want to become one of our members. I'll definitely add after getting to know you. I'll give you my number first. After chatting with you on WhatsApp, then getting to know you at the end, I'll have to add you on our WhatsApp platform. All right, so that's basically how it is. Okay, so today I told you guys, all my subscribers, before that whatever questions my candidate asked me, I will definitely have to come here to answer all of the questions. All right, so today, though not today actually, they have asked me a lot of questions concerning what the next thing to do after Jamb UTME examination. So that's why I have come today to make sure that I answer all of those questions here for you guys on the platform. So if you notice, we just finished the Jamb 2024 UTME examination. So they are asking what's the next thing to do. Though I have done a lot of videos on my WhatsApp page, but I still have to do it individually. So if you check out for today, you'll find out that we'll have topic of the day as Ignatius Ajuru University of Education, Port Harcourt, right? So that is basically where the school is situated, at Port Harcourt, right? So you after 2024 UTME examination, all right, so you need, the next thing for us to do is post UTME exam. So that's next thing for us to do. It's post UTME exam. So we have to register for post UTME exam. So some person will be like, what is post UTME exam? Post UTME exam is an exam that is conducted by your institution of choice. Let's assume that you choose Obafemi Awolowo University, OAU, as your first choice. So OAU will be the one to conduct the post UTME. All right, so University of Ilorin also. So that's basically how it is. Okay, so now some schools don't conduct post UTME. Some schools only do internal screening. Okay, that's basically what some school does. All right, so it's schools like Ignatius Ajuru University of Education. They don't do post UTME examination. What they do is post UTME screening. Okay, they'll just do screening. All right, so they will screen you with your WAEC results and your Jamb score. Okay, that simply means if you have more of A's, B's, and all of those blah 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 on your WAEC, so you have to very high advantage. All right, so that's how that's what they do. But that doesn't mean that you will not register for the processes. Okay, you have to do registration for the screening. All right, you do registration for the screening. All right, so once you register, they will know that you are eligible for admission. So after doing the screening, after doing the screening, at the end of the day, they will now find out if you meet their admission criteria and all of that. So just like the way I've told you before, that if you don't have somebody that can help you gain admission, if you don't have somebody and you are not sure and you have been written down for a very long time and you want to gain admission, please, I want you to let me know in the comment section that you want to join us on our WhatsApp page. So there, if you meet me on WhatsApp, you explain everything that concerns your admission for me. I might be of help to you. All right, so that's basically how it is. Okay, so if you also want to know when their screening form will be available online, because currently now their screening form is not available online. So if you want to know when their screening form will be available online, you still have to let me know in the comment section that you want to join our WhatsApp page. So after that, because there on our WhatsApp page, I will be giving out all the information bit by bit and step by step. I will also be there to answer all of your questions, anything that concerns your admissions. All right. So here on our YouTube channel, I'll still be uploading all of those information. So for those that don't want to join us, or for those that don't have WhatsApp, and also for those that don't feel like joining us on WhatsApp, so that's basically how it is. So everything is left for you. Okay. So if you want to join us, you let me know. If you don't want to join us, you also stay tuned and subscribe, turn on all the bell notifications, so that whenever I drop the updates, YouTube will notify you and you'll be the first to check it out. Okay, so this is where I believe I have answered this question today. All right, so this is where I'll be ending this video. So until I see you again in my next video, don't forget that Brainybite and his team do love you guys. Okay, until I see you again, don't forget, keep winning.